Welcome to an overview of the smartphone revolution, where we trace major market shifts and innovation paths that reshaped our devices and lives. This presentation walks through early experiments, pivotal product moments, platform shifts, and the ongoing quest for differentiation, helping you see the big picture behind how smartphones evolved from niche tools into the primary gateway of the digital age. In the late 1990 seconds, a wave of hybrid pioneers experimented with integrating mobile computing into pocketable devices, as shown by early communicators and PDAs with hinge keyboards, stylus screens, and costly data plans. These prototypes created a small but influential niche, training users to expect pocket productivity and setting the stage for later mass-market interfaces despite limited adoption at the time. January 2007 marked a clear turning point when touch-first design replaced physical keys, introducing capacitive multi-touch, adaptable on-screen keyboards, and a desktop-class mobile browser. That trio transformed usability and broadened appeal from professionals to mainstream consumers, establishing a new paradigm where direct finger control and full web access defined what a modern smartphone should deliver. The 2008 App Store reshaped distribution by moving from fragmented, carrier-controlled ecosystems to a unified, open developer marketplace. Centralized access, developer tools and APIs, global reach, monetization, and standardized distribution created a dominant cross-platform model that lowered friction for developers and users, accelerating innovation and turning apps into the core engine of the smartphone economy. Around 2008, the industry pivoted again by abandoning traditional BlackBerry-style designs for hybrid touch and slider form factors, exemplified by early Android devices. That strategic move helped ignite a duopoly between Android and iOS, speeding hardware cycles and giving manufacturers and users greater choice, while establishing the platform foundations that fueled rapid growth and broad market expansion. As markets matured, manufacturers searched for new ways to stand out, experimenting with foldable displays and modular hardware. Designs like clamshell and pocketable OLED foldables on one side and swappable modules on the other show two paths to differentiation beyond glass slabs, one focused on novel form factors, the other on customizable hardware, both aiming to extend smartphone utility and appeal. Biometric authentication moved quickly from basic sensors to embedded, hardware-backed security. Early fingerprint readers showed promise. The iPhone 5S introduced a secure enclave for encrypted identity tokens, and later, in-display ultrasonic readers brought 3D mapping and faster, more secure access. Together, these advances shifted authentication from simple pins toward body-based, device-anchored protections. The smartphone became the central gateway by converging enabling factors like ubiquitous LTE, streaming media, mobile payments, and social apps into a single device for work, entertainment, commerce, and civic life. That convergence unlocked unprecedented connectivity and inclusion, while also surfacing debates around privacy, digital distraction, and well-being, illustrating the dual social impacts of widespread smartphone adoption. Looking forward, the next phase mixes on-device AI chips, augmented reality wearables, satellite emergency links, and ethical sourcing initiatives to redefine what smartphones can do. These trends promise greater computational power at the edge, a stronger focus on sustainability, and more human-centered design that prioritizes privacy and well-being, pointing towards smarter, more responsible mobile experiences.